All right, welcome back to another video today. Actually, we're going to be talking about the new offering by Tesla to have windshield protection. So this is actually a really nice thing that ironically comes shortly after the first windshield I've had cracked in a long time on our Tesla. The only windshield that I've had to replace on a Tesla since owning Tesla, since we've had at least one Tesla since 2018, I believe, or maybe 2019, I think. So, yeah, I've recently cracked one windshield, and unfortunately, my insurance deductible was high, and I had that pay out of pocket basically for the whole thing. Luckily, I did have $500 worth of credits, but still, that ended up being about a $900 fix. And Tesla is now offering $12 a month fee for windshield protection. And so they'll fix any like cracks or chips in it with no deductible, and they'll do a full replacement each year, one a year, for $0 deductible, as well as they would do an additional one for $100 deductible. So actually, that's a really good deal compared to what I needed to do for my insurance, because my insurance, if I get it down to a $500 deductible, it would obviously I'd have to pay $500 for that windshield replacement. But actually getting the deductible down to $500 cost me about $65 every 6 months. So that's close to almost exactly the price of the Tesla monthly fee. And the difference is I wouldn't have to pay any deductible if I get it, if it breaks. And I need to take it to Tesla anyway, as we found. You can take it through others like SafeLight and stuff like that, but I had to call SafeLight and talk to them a bunch of times. They had to try to source the windshield, and then it ended up that even though they could source the windshield, they were going to charge a lot more, about $1,000 more for that replacement. Again, if it was over the deductible, then I guess that wouldn't have mattered. But they also had to take it to a particular spot, and I would be without a car. Whereas when I took it into Tesla, as I had in my other video, I was actually able to get a loaner vehicle while it was being replaced. And so I was able to borrow another Tesla, be right on my way, and have no problems. So I think this is a great feature overall, or a great service overall. $12, I think it's a good value. I mean, obviously, I don't want my windshield to crack ever, and insurance is crazy expensive, but there's zero deductible for it, and you get it replaced by Tesla. So that's great. And I don't have to worry about the extra insurance costs, because again, it's actually the same cost, at least on my insurance, to get the $500 deductible, so that I would be able to at least not lose the whole, I think it was $1,300, $1,400 total to get the windshield replaced. So yeah, it actually pays for itself compared to insurance easily, because it's $0 deductible. Anyway, something to consider if you have a Model Y or Model 3. I think they do it on S and X as well, but they do not do it on the Cybertruck. There are different costs for the S and the X. I believe they're a little bit more, especially the X, because the X has like the biggest windshield next to, I think, the Cybertruck. So it's a really big windshield. So that one's obviously a bigger piece of glass. And then the Cybertruck, they are probably going to come out with it somewhere in the future. But that is, I believe, the biggest production piece of glass for just a regular vehicle, like outside of a like semi or something like that. But anyway, something that I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of, the windshield protection, definitely handy for road trips. We had a really bad time on our last road trip, not this last road trip, but the road trip before, really, where we actually ended up getting our windshield cracked. So that was unfortunate. And this is definitely going to take give us some peace of mind for the windshield replacement in the future. So yeah, if you have a Tesla, definitely would consider getting it. If your insurance doesn't have a nice, cheap windshield replacement like clause on it, or you have a really low deductible anyway because you want a really low deductible. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.